Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 15th, 2023. I've already solved three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. Yeah, it's the Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, yeah. Tectonic with 4 stars. And this one will be number 7092. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be the easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. This is really a 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. Well, we'll see. First question to you is: can we see here the single box? Yeah, I see only one single box. Single box contains the 1, always a 1. Next question: do we have here dual box? I see here dual box. There dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here I need more information, so let me mark those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. Next question: do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question: do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes here. No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the Z or the S construction we have here. Let me draw the Z or the S construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you then mirror it or flip this, then you get the S. It's the same shape, yeah. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, we have only in this puzzle 1 Z construction. Then the following construction or shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Yeah. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape here. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And it's also connected with that box, so we also a 3. Do you have more L shapes? No. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Oh wait, let me draw this first. The next shape, this shape. Let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. And this box has the same name as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5. I believe the T shape is missing here. Yeah. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shape area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area shape for the numbers. A 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2 in this area. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So these 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Well, let me see. We go up. These 2 boxes can be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So the 1 digit left in this triple box for the number 2. This box is connected with that box, so 3 and a 1. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. I should be there. Then. Let me think. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Okay. Here we have 4 or a 5. We need a 3 here. Well, this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So we have a pair now, 4 and a 5 is connected with that box should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can be a 4 here. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box should be also 5. And this one is also connected with that box should be also 5. One digit left in this area for number 4. For the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3 or a 1. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. If I place a 1 here or a 3 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 3 in those two boxes. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 2. 1 and 3, we already have a 1 there. Overlook this one. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 1. Alright. Then. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5 here. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the double 1 and the double 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. This box is also connected with that box. So we have 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. And this one is also connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright, we go up. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. Now. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. So this box can be 4, but also that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there, 2 numbers left. For numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, I'm down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.